DCI produces a wide range of parts, small and large. The parts shown here were produced at the primary zinc casting plant in Grand Rapids. DCI produces everything from purely functional parts to large decorative chrome. Here we can see the metal loading dock. Raw material for the plant is loaded and held in this area prior to melting. DCI only uses certified ingot, which is zinc or other material that has been melted and recast into these blocks. The factory does not reprocess any parts that are plated or painted. This is the primary melting furnace. Metal comes into the plant in the form of these huge blocks called sows. Each sow weighs approximately 2,500 pounds. A crane system lifts the sows and lowers them into the furnace for melting. This is a standard zinc die casting machine in action. During normal casting process, the die closes and molten zinc is shot into the mold. After a few seconds, the part solidifies, the die opens, and the new casting is ejected. A spray system then lubricates the die and the process runs again. Every die casting machine is fully automated. After ejection, parts are delivered via conveyor to the trim press operator, who trims any burrs and ragged edges from the newly cast part and then immediately packs them into the cardboard to prevent handling damage. This is the die maintenance area. Tool operators perform preventive maintenance and emergency repair in this part of the factory. This is DCI's machine remanufacture area. DCI remanufactures approximately 2 die-cast machines per year and also rebuilds ancillary equipment as well as trim presses and robots for automated processes. These nozzles conduct molten zinc from the gooseneck, which is the pump in a hot chamber die-cast machine, to the actual casting die. Here we can see DCI's computerized process monitoring system. This system monitors 28 different parameters of every shot of molten material to ensure quality and consistency in each casting. This closed-loop shot-in system is a DCI original design, manufactured in the factory's remanufacturing area. It injects molten zinc into the die for casting. Here we see an automatic trim die unloader. After each casting is trimmed, the castings are automatically loaded onto separate conveyors for packing. In the multi-slide department, DCI produces smaller precision castings on the multi-slide casting machines. Unlike the larger casting machines, these smaller tools are largely self-contained. All the melting, casting, and trimming is handled by a single device. A visual aid showing the machine's operation helps the operator maintain the tool. This particular casting machine is producing carburetors, which must be packed in a specific quantity. The tool counts the number of parts traveling down the conveyor and automatically shifts to a new box when the set quantity is met. Every die casting machine in the factory can be changed in size to produce different sized parts in order to meet the current production requirement. This multi-slide has just been converted from a 6x6 to a 4x4 and is being rigged up to produce a smaller part. DCI tests every part for functional and structural integrity in-house before shipping it out to our customer. This device is not only tapping a hole in these parts, but also exerting stress on them to ensure quality. The multi-slide department also has some larger machines that are run in the same fashion as the smaller precision casting machines. Parts produced by these devices require almost no secondary processing, such as trimming. DCI also has completely automated robotic casting systems. This device is equipped with a vision system, allowing totally self-contained operation with no human interaction necessary. The coordinate measuring machine room features 2 CMMs, which measure parts for size consistency. Castings are pulled from a run to measure for quality control. The CMM is programmable as well as manually activated, and its flexibility has allowed it to replace a substantial amount of older measuring equipment. This is the environmental testing area. DCI is one of the few die casters with the capability to perform multiple environment tests in-house. Testing for decorative parts includes soft spray, falling sand, and QUV for ultraviolet degradation. After all finishing, inspection, and packaging, boxed parts are stored in this storage area, which also acts as a shipping launch platform.